Usha Shriram.
Hi, I am from Usha Shriram and I am going to impart the knowledge about the Usha water guard. Please listen carefully. This is Usha's water guard. There is no requirement of electricity to purify the water. This is very easy to install. The Usha water guard system has been specially designed and developed for countries where available drinking water quality is not safe. Water guard guarantees to inactivate all known harmful bacteria and viruses responsible for waterborne diseases. It is a 2-container offline storage type tabletop system that has a total capacity of 20 liters. The top container and the bottom container can each hold up to 10 liters of unfiltered and filtered water respectively at any given time. WaterGuard has a unique 3-stage purification process which makes the water ready for drinking. WaterGuard is capable of purifying up to 1500 liters of water per set of cartridges. This means at an average consumption of 40 glasses every day, a set of cartridge will last for 6 months. So you require the cartridges only twice a year. The complete system is made of food grade material. The 3-stage purification in your Usha water guard gives you filtered germ-free better tasting water. First stage, a standard 5 micron pre-filter removes suspended dust and dirt particle from water. Second stage, this is HELP cartridge. This cartridge contains special iodinated resin which disinfects the water from disease-causing bacteria and viruses, making it hygienically clean and potable. Third stage, this is TASTE cartridge which contains ion exchange resin mixed with silver impregnated granular activated carbon which eliminates excess chlorine, organic impurities such as pesticides, herbicides, trihalomethanes and other such elements, imparting bad odor, taste and color to the water. A special treatment of the activated carbon with silver inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria in the Usha cartridge. The purified water also retains the bacteriostatic properties that inhibits the growth of bacteria and therefore can be safely stored for a period of 48 hours. Usha water guard is very easy to install. Open the carton like this and pull out the system from the carton. This is top container. There is 2 purification chambers to hold the cartridges. This is HC holder and this one is TC holder. This is the bottom container and this is WaterGuard cartridge set inside the bottom container. Take this cartridge box out. This cartridge box contains one HELP cartridge and one TASTE cartridge. This is tap which is kept in the pre-filter bowl. Take this tap and fit it in the top container like this. Rinse the tap in clean water. Open the hexagonal nut. Remove one of the 2 rubber gaskets. Insert the threaded end of tap in the hole provided in the bottom container such that one gasket in on the outside and one inside. Be careful the rib on the tap matches with the groove in the bottom container. Open the cartridge box and remove protective plastic cover from the two cartridges. Attention! Do not keep the cartridges on any unclean surface after removing from the cover. Always lay them on the covers themselves. Immerse both cartridges for at least 15 minutes in 3 to 4 liters of drinking water in the bottom container. Then shake the cartridges vigorously in water and remove. Some carbon particles may come out in water. Throw this water. Place the TC holder on the bottom container such that the arrow mark on TC holder and tap on the bottom container should be on opposite direction. Insert taste cartridge, that is white cartridge, into the TC holder. Ensure that the cartridge sits properly by pressing it down so that no water bypass the cartridge. Now place the SC holder on the TC holder. Tap the held cartridge, that is yellow cartridge, lightly on the SC holder and then insert it into SC holder. Ensure that the cartridge sits properly by pressing it down so that no water bypasses the cartridge. Now place the top container on the SC holder such that the lever is on your right side. Place the O-ring properly on bowl. Don't place it on cap. Place pre-filter on the mouth of the top container. Fill the top container with tap water. Remember to keep the lever on fill, that is up position when filling water. Tightly close the cap on the top by rotating it in clockwise direction. Ensure that the top container must be airtight for the system to function properly. Hence, ensure that the gasket is sitting properly while closing the cap. Now press the lever down to purify. Your system has started working now. You can see bubbles coming out of the valve at regular intervals. This indicates that system is working properly. Now you can have safe, pure and healthy water from Usha Water Guard. If you still find any leakage problem after proper installation, then please follow these steps. Cap should be properly closed. This is O-ring. Make sure that O-ring is sitting properly in pre-filter bowl groove while closing the cap. Don't place it on cap. Tightly close the cap on the top. Ensure that the top container must be airtight for the system to function properly. If cap remains loosened, then water spillage will start from the top container and system will not work.